Diagonal bracings are very important because they ensure the stability of the structure. Jacky makes the assemblies according to a tenon mortise system. It's a pretty technical assembly. This can be simplified by using the technique with threaded rods described in the guide manual. For the guardrail, you can call on a professional or install a kit system. But this equipment is very expensive and is not always aesthetically appropriate. Therefore, Jacky decided to make his guardrail himself with robinia wood, like the terrace boards. But be careful, the manufacture of a guardrail is very technical and requires special tools. To hide the screw passages, we insert robinia plugs. These plugs are made with a plugging cutter.
Ça, c'est trouvé dans le même sens de fil, de façon à ce que ça ne se voit pas.